In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Graco DuoDiner DLX DLX. Don't mind that hole right there. We bought it because it's a 6-in-1 high chair, and I'm going to show you guys all the 6 steps right now. After the 6 steps, we're actually going to unbox it, take it out, put it together. We're going to see how tough it is, and we're going to put it to the test. Okay, so number 1. It's an infant high chair with recliner. So it goes all the way back like that, so you can actually feed the infant. So I like how it has this mobility where you could put it all the way back, and then you could actually sit it upright. Okay, number 2 is the full-size high chair. This is, what we're going to be mainly using it for. So, this is why the main reason we bought the high chair in the first place. Number 3, we have the infant booster, and this is it right here. You could actually take the top part off and put it on a chair. So that's it right there. We have the toddler booster. It's just the bottom part, and it's kind of like a car booster. You can think of it kind of like that way, where it's pretty much the bottom portion of the high chair. You do have number 5, youth stool. They could use this as a stool to wash their hands and do all that good stuff, or whatever they need to get up to a higher place. And then last but not least, we have number 6, the big kid table and chair. So that's it right there. So now let's actually open it up. We are gonna put it together, and let's see how many pieces it comes with. So this is one right here. That's the actual backing of the chair. Okay, this is the actual tray, and that is a good size. I really do like that. And then of course the tray is removable, so it's nice, it's easy to clean. You have the little spot right here for their sippy cups. Okay, we'll get into the rest of that in a second. Okay, so it is a total of 4 pieces. Okay, this is what the actual seat, the booster, looks like. So this is the bottom part right here. This is where you could strap this onto a chair. And then of course you have the seat belts, okay, like that. So let's put that off to the side. I showed you guys the tray, so that's part number 2. So part number 3 is the cushion. It's actually the backing. So I do like this color right here, and I like the part that it's black, so you could kind of like not even really see the stains. And then this part comes off so you could wash it and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the 4th piece, and let's check out oh, that's cool. So it does have wheels on this side, and then this side is going to be the stationary side, so it's going to be easier to move. All you have to do is pick it up like this, and then you could push it around like that. So I do like that. And then it does have handles here, so it looks like you could fold it right up. Okay, we're going to put it together, just showing you guys. And then also it has handles here, and it picks it up, if you want to have it a little bit taller, a little bit shorter. Okay, let me show you guys this side. Okay, you have the height, the 5 height positions there, and that's what that is. Okay. Okay, so let's start putting this together. Okay, so this portion was, stuck on here, and this is how we're gonna put it together. First, attach the footrest to the seat base with the 4 screws, and it does come with the 4 screws. Then attach the seat base to the frame by lining up the seat base onto the frame mount and pushing down on the seat base as shown. And it does have a little picture right here, and then we have a little snap. Okay, and then step number 3, refer to full instructions in the manual to complete setup. Okay guys, so this is the booster chair. I just put it around like this, turned it around, and then this is actually the footrest right here. Okay, so what you have to do is slide it in like so. Okay, like that. And then the 4 screws that we got, they're gonna go right here. Here's 1, here's 2, and then same thing for the other side, 1 and 2. So that's a total of 4 there. They do come with the 4 screws. You are gonna need a screwdriver for this next step, okay? Okay, so just got all 4 screws on there. That's probably the most labor intense part, which wasn't labor intense at all. So it was pretty easy, but just probably going to be the toughest part of this whole thing. Okay, so now we're going to be able to flip it around, and that's how it looks attached. And then this is the actual footrest itself. So it does look like a little hook. So all we have to do is come in here, push it, and then push it down just like that. And it's nice and sturdy. That's not going anywhere. This is stuck to this. So now we're good for this portion of it. Let's keep it going. Okay, so this next part, we're actually going to be putting this right on top of here. And you guys could see where it lines up. This is supposed to line up right here. So all we have to do is flip it like so. Kind of have to line it both sides up here. I'll give you a side angle so as you guys can see. And then that snap, that means it's good to go. Once you snap it in there, you want to make sure it's nice and seated. So all you have to do is pick this up and try to pull. And if it doesn't go nowhere, then it is good to go. I do want to show you guys how to remove this, the booster part from the top. And then you have to push both of these parts up. They have these on both sides. And then it just goes off like that, okay? So this is that stool they were talking about. And then this is the booster that could go on the seat, okay? And then you just put this on the seat. And of course you have to strap it down. And then, you know, you're good to go. So I'm gonna put this right back on top. Just like so. The next step is gonna hit this button. It's gonna release. And you're gonna put these two in the back like so. And then you're gonna take, this is the backing of the chair, okay? You guys could note right here and right here, they have the metal dowels. All you have to do is pick up on this and the metal dowels come in and out, okay? That's how you're gonna place the backing. Actually, let me turn it around. Okay, so these metal dowels, they go right here. Go right here, and then right here on this side. Okay, so like I said, you just hit that button. And then slide it down. You guys could check if this is snapped in. If you pull on it and it's still good, and this is not going anywhere, it's good to go. Okay, if you're able to pull up on it, that means you haven't pushed down and snapped it in all the way. So after you do that, okay, now we have to do the seat belts. So there's two little slits right here that we have to put the seat belts through. Okay. So it's easier if you have small hands for this one. Okay, got one. Okay, so those two did go through. Okay, now the last seat belt part is going to be getting it through here. Okay, and now it is good to go. So now all you have to do is, once you want to seat belt your child in, okay, this goes through here and that clicks on one side, and then it's the same thing over here, click it through there, okay, and now your child is right here and they are not going anywhere. So that's how we assemble that portion of it. Okay, I did want to show you guys how the booster operates, okay? So remember, just push the sides up like so, and then you see these two things right here? All you have to do is pull out on both sides, and then here you actually have the string. So the string wraps around your seat. So you put this on an actual chair, this wraps around the seat, and then that way it's secure. And they have these little clips that are in there. So all you have to do is pull this all the way out, and you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. Here's the clip right here. And then you're just gonna put that, you know, right on top of the chair. Okay, so now it's time to put the tray on, okay? There's two ways of doing it. So it's either you do this one handle or you do the two handles that's on the side, okay? So let's try this first one, okay? We just push down on it, let go, and then you can check if it's secure, and that's ready to go, okay? The kid could sit right here, could eat the food, okay? Don't forget that this tray comes off. You can clean it. Love that feature right there. And then I'm gonna show you on the sides. All you have to do is lift on these, and then you can take it right off. Okay, this is what I was doing, taking it off right here. So you could also put it back right there. See, when you hear that lock, that snap, that's when it's good to go. My opinion is that this is a very great buy. We have this for our son. He is gonna love it. He's gonna be geeked out. He's gonna be in here. Hopefully we get him to eat more of his vegetables now that we have this. And you guys, I have no complaints about this. I love it. Don't forget about the wheels as it has right here. So all you have to do is pick up on one side and then you could, you know, push it like that. So, you know, this is for moms, this is for dads. It's for everybody, and I gotta say that I definitely recommend this product.